All right, small animals, welcome to week 3 of distance learning, April 13th through 17th. It's going to be a great week, and I have a feeling you're going to like it too. So we have a couple important reminders that we want to let you guys know about before we dive in too deep to this week. At this point, we've had a chance to grade your week 1 assignments. A couple important things that we'd like to remind you guys in every class of. First off is to make sure that you're reading directions, since you don't have us there necessarily to say those reminders in class or ask immediate questions of. It's really important for you guys to read the directions on every assignment to make sure that you're doing it 100% right, and then we can give you full credit for your work. You guys so far have done awesome work. I'm super proud of you, so keep up that. We would also like to remind you that we're turning everything into forms. This is really important, especially in this class, mostly for me, I'll be honest. If you share them with Miss Seibert, I do not get them, so we really want you to turn them into forms because I'm the one grading them, so that'd be pretty cool if you could help us out with that. So there's a reminder right here that everything's going to be turned into forms using the turn-in assignments here. So again, we moved those from the Friday date to below on the plan. Ooh, I gave you a sneak peek of this week. What a problem. And just a reminder to not share them with me, because I won't have access to them if you, or share them with Miss Seibert or me, because I won't have access to them, and I want them all together in the same file with all your classmates, so all I have to do is click through and grade all of them. Down here it again says do not share them and use the forms below. So let's jump into... Oh, one more reminder. You guys are more than welcome to work ahead, and this will be kind of a big thing that I would promote for this week and next week for you guys, because we've spread this assignment out over the course of a few days, and I think I know the way I work that it would be a lot easier to do it all at once kind of thing, get it done, take a couple days off, and we've given you all the details for you to be able to do that in this assignment in this week. So hopefully yeah, you can work ahead a little bit and just not even have to worry about our class and put some time into the other classes that are being more demanding of you. So, alright, our learning targets for this week are going to be to research responding procedures for pet first aid and CPR. Our ongoing project is going to be that SAE project. If you have questions about anything, contact Miss Seibert or myself. Again, everything's going to be due on Friday night at midnight, so this day right here. Yeah, and do not share them. Turn them into a form. Alright, let's go through this week. I think you guys will be really excited to see this, and I hope you will, because I think it's pretty cool, and I was pretty proud of this assignment. So, Monday, no school because of your Easter break, so there's not going to be a lesson. Wow, that's so cool. I might even take the day off too, so that'll be fun. But you know what? If you want to start your homework on Monday, get it all done, go for it, man. You're doing great. The Start Here video you're watching are At Home Animals week 3. It's going to be the same as every other week, but I have a very important thing to tell you. I don't know what I'm trying to say. This question right here. Medical or behavioral issues to explore solutions for. Something I saw on a lot of your at-home animals, which by the way were so cute. I want to share a couple of my favorites. One was Lurky the turkey. And I don't remember who turned these in, I guess now, because it's been a few days, but Lurky the turkey. Super cute, super awesome. Who has a turkey as a pet? That's awesome. And the second was somebody had a German Shepherd and the picture had the tongue out and it was like, I was like, my heart. Okay, anyways, back to the assignment. Medical or behavioral issues to explore solutions for. A lot of you guys are putting none right here, and this is not a yes or no question. This is I want you to find something, even if it's small, maybe they bark when you're not home, or when you leave, or when you come home. I don't know, something small. It doesn't have to be huge, but I want you to find something here that I don't know, I guess you look at this animal and you're like, that's irritating, or wish they didn't do that all the time, so that we can try and find solutions for that in your next unit, which is going to be behavioral. I guess, problems or solutions, whatever. So yeah, it's really important that you have something there because we're going to reflect back using these assignments, and if you don't have anything there, that's going to be a little hard, you know? So help me, help you, help Miss Cyber, help everybody, yeah. And make sure you put something into this box. Otherwise, for the most part, these assignments are really good. Aside from being like super adorable and the best idea I've ever had, you guys are doing awesome with it. So let's see. Our next assignment is going to take us into, I believe, like Wednesday of next week. So I have all the details for it, but you can see we also outlined it on the weekly plan. And then we want you to hang on to it. You're not going to turn it in this week, and you're going to turn it in next Wednesday when you have all of it done. So the only thing that you have to turn in this week is your at-home animals. Like I said, you have all of the day assignments listed for you. So it has day 1 through day 6 listed out for you, and I'll go through that more in the assignment video. So you can work ahead, and I would encourage you to and get it done. I think this is going to be really fun, and you're going to learn a lot from this assignment. But yeah, so I don't want to get too deep into it because it kind of ruins the next video purpose. So that is all I have for you guys. Again, hold on to this assignment. Don't turn it in yet. And let me know if you have any questions. You guys are rock stars and doing awesome. Miss you and see you again soon.